What's up, guys? I'm Guri here, and today I'm so excited because today I have a Vivo new smartphone, Vivo V15 Pro, and today we are doing a durability test with Vivo V15 Pro, like scratch test, band test, flame test, and burn test. So let's start it. Open the box, the back cover, very good back cover. This is Vivo V15 Pro. Wow, very nice looking. Start the phone. Wow, the phone is very nice looking. Back cover, back panel, very nice. Let's starting durability test. Check the camera first. Okay, let's start it. First, I remove the plastic from the screen, plastic protector from the screen. Now scratch on the screen. This is first tool. No, very good class on the Vivo V15 Pro. Now second tool. Minor scratches on screen. On level 3. It has very minor scratches. With another tool. No, there's no scratch on screen. Very good screen quality. With more tools. Screen quality very good. I think some minor scratches on screen. Okay, let's add the fingerprint scanner and test the fingerprint scanner. Let's start it. Add fingerprint. Continue in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Continue. Now add a fingerprint scanner. Done. Continue. No, it's might pending more. Little bit more and more. Okay. Okay. Now start a fingerprint Scanner test. Scratch on the scanner. Now unlock the phone. Working. Some another tool. I have a very force to scratch. Put the force to scratch. Very force to scratch. But it's with more. Now I with scratch with more force. More scratch, scratch, scratch on the scanner. Now 2-3 scanner, scratch on scanner. Let's test it. Working. Wow, wow, very nice. Fingerprint scanner. It's very durable. Now unlock the phone. Wow, working. Now we are doing a durability on the back panel. Let's start it. Back panel is very weak. I think it's made of plastic. Yeah, it's made of pure plastic. It's very weak, so the phone back cover is not more durable. No, guys, it's very big back panel, back cover of the 15 Pro. It's no more durable. No guys, it's not a good back panel of VIVO V15 Pro. More scratches, more rough, more tough, but I think it's tough, but it's not a tough. It is made of fully plastic. No guys, it is not a durability pass of my test. It's very weak, fully plastic. It's a very weak phone, very bad back panel, very weak back panel. It's fully made of plastic, but I scratch the Vivo scratch on it. Okay guys, this is very bad back panel of VIVO V15 Pro. Now I bend this phone. Let's check the bend test of this phone. 1 2 3. Yeah guys, it's a little bit bent. You see here, this is bend test. The build quality of VIVO V15 Pro is a little bit good. When I bend the phone slightly bent, but it back into shape is easily. One more time, I totally fully force on it. More pant. Yeah guys, it's very good bullet quality, but back panel is very bad. One more time, when test. Let's start it. 1 2 3. See guys, the phone is little bit bent. Yeah, on screen. See here. 1 2 3. More force. Come on guys, come on. One more time from this side, from back side. 1 2 3 4. Yeah guys, you see the phone little bit bent, but is easily to back on his shape. Now last test is flame test. Let's start it. 1 2 3. One, two, three. The screen protector is very good. The screen quality is very good of VIVO V15 Pro. Yeah, screen quality is good. Now one more time flame test. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now unlock the phone. Okay guys, phone is working. The display is good quality, but the back panel is very bad. Now open the camera. Wow, camera still working. Okay guys, one more time. Last time I doing a band test of this phone. 1 2 3. Okay. See guys, the phone little bit bent on the center. 1 2 3. But phone back easily on his shape, very easily. One more time doing a film test on a fingerprint. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Can it working now? Let's check it. Wow, it's working guys. Thank you guys. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Can you see more tests on this video? Let's do it. Thank you guys. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. I'm Guri. Thank you guys. Last time one more band test. Wow guys, phone is easily bent. Yeah, see here. But VIVO V15 Pro, good bullet quality. Thank you guys. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. I'm Guri on YouTube for more videos.
looks nothing. Now test the edges of the phone. It has the thing at all, just marginally bent. Till now, if you enjoyed my videos, please make sure to
Thank you
subscribe
guys.
to my
Please subscribe my channel. I am
and like
Guri.
this video as
Thank
well.
you guys very much. Thank
Now
you.
I'm trying to scratch on the logo of that phone.